Looking to freshen up your home with something new? IKEA's latest lineup offers a mix of smart design, cozy materials, and stylish touches for every room. Whether you're upgrading your bedroom, optimizing storage, or making your space more inviting, these new arrivals combine function and flair in true IKEA fashion. Here are 17 standout pieces worth checking out. 1. SÅGMÄSTARE brings a refined vintage touch to your space with its turned legs, rounded corners, and bifold embossed doors. The light gray-blue finish blends well with both traditional and modern interiors. It's great for maximizing storage while displaying items on top. 2. HAMNFYR is a compact ceiling lamp that delivers clear general lighting while blending seamlessly into most spaces. Ideal for hallways, kitchens, or even closets, and looks even better when installed in multiples. 3. BYASJÖN is a sleek undersink cabinet with glossy white doors and a sturdy metal base. Designed to hide plumbing and organize bathroom essentials, it also avoids wall mounting, making it renter-friendly. 4. PELARTUJA adds cozy charm with its reversible waffle texture design. The 100% cotton material makes it breathable and perfect for layering, whether you prefer the green-gray or white side up. 5. GRÄSROTSFLY is a smart choice for hot sleepers. The silky lyocell cover and viscose blend filling work together to keep your body cool and dry throughout the night. Comfort without the sweat. 6. SMÄCKER is a no-fuss cutlery tray that keeps your drawer in order. It's made of smooth, easy-to-clean plastic and fits more than just utensils. Use it for pens, spices, or even crafting gear. 7. ÅGOTNES is a firm, slim foam mattress designed for daybeds or compact guest setups. Lightweight, roll-packed, and easy to handle, it offers a stable, supportive feel at a budget-friendly price. 8. SMÅNUNNEÖRT is a cool and breathable duvet cover, set in seersucker cotton viscose. The wavy texture feels fresh, while the muted striped pattern adds calm sophistication to your bedroom. 9. Backmora is a soft, absorbent bath mat in deep gray blue with a latex backing that keeps it in place. Made with 90% recycled polyester, it's a sustainable way to pamper your feet post-shower. 10. Feka adds a fresh burst of green to your home. No watering required. This realistic artificial mint plant is perfect for windowsills, shelves, or anywhere you want a touch of nature. 11. HAMNFYR is a lightweight throw made from mostly recycled polyester, offering warmth and softness in a cheerful beige yellow. Its fringed edges add a relaxed, classic feel to your sofa or bed. 12. Hauga is a versatile white sideboard with glass doors and open shelving, ideal for everything from dishware to books. The traditional style matches the rest of the Hauga line for seamless coordination. 13. Nat Jasmine offers a luxe sleep experience with its sateen-woven cotton lyocell blend and silky finish. This sheet set includes everything you need for comfort: fitted sheet, flat sheet, and pillowcases. 14. Mandal is more than a headboard. It's smart storage. With adjustable shelving built right in, it keeps books and essentials within reach, all while freeing up precious floor space. 15. Upfieldy makes slicing eggs, or even mushrooms and strawberries, quick and tidy. Just place your item in the base and press. It's dishwasher safe, simple to use, and a time saver. 16. Ivar box shelf with divider brings rustic charm and practical flexibility. Use it in a pantry, office, or living room. The divider is removable, and the untreated pine can be customized to match your style. 17. Bedspread is a durable outdoor coffee table in weather-resistant plastic rattan. It fits beautifully on patios or balconies and pairs with other pieces from the series to complete your outdoor setup. 'From compact storage to cozy textiles and clever lighting, IKEA's newest arrivals are all about making everyday life a little easier and a lot more stylish. Whether you're refreshing a single room or rethinking your entire space, these pieces deliver smart design at accessible prices. Happy decorating!